Welcome back to Mahiti Dunia YouTube channel, friends. So in this video we are going to discuss about KCET 2022 exam pattern, marking scheme, course wise papers and schedule. Okay, so here briefly I am going to tell you about all these things. 2020 exam pattern. So it is consisting of 4 papers, as you know. So mathematics, physics, chemistry and biology. Plus, very important, one Kannada language test and agricultural practical exam for specific subjects. So it will be conducted in offline mode and OMR based exam. I hope you are writing OMR based for the first time. So you can practice it for the real cell tests and all by taking the other agency test and all, by considering this OMR sheet. With each paper having 60 questions, we will be having a 60 questions to be done in 70 minutes. So you will be having 70 minutes time and you can answer 60. Why 10 minutes extra is given? By reading the question paper and filling the details they have given. And very important is there is no negative marking in KCET 2022. So far they are not having any negative marks. In this time also they are not having any negative marks. So how the exam paper pattern? So it is having held across 2 days, total 4 sessions, with mathematics and biology in the first day, first 2 sessions. Okay. Next, physics and chemistry in the next day. The detailed KCET exam pattern is covered below. So exam name, KCET 2022 mode of exam, offline OMR based, means you should put the bubble while marking the answers and your name and all register number. You should bubble it. You should take the black color ballpoint pen to the exam. Type of questions asked is MCQ, multiple choice questions. So you need not to write here, descriptive is not there, just you should take any one answer out of 4, no negative. For each question you will be having 1 marks. So number of papers total are 4 are there, and also 2 more additional papers will be there, that is for Kannada and an agriculture practical test, and these 2 will be not for everybody. Subjects: physics, chemistry, mathematics, biology plus Kannada language test and agriculture practical. As I told, this Kannada and agriculture will be not for all. So whether all are paper compulsory? No. Candidate has to appear for at least 3 papers for or all 4 papers. Suppose if you are interested in PCM, you want to quit biology, you can quit. Suppose you are interested in PCB, that is physics, chemistry, biology, you can quit. Maths, you can quit. Okay, right? Like this, you should write minimum 3 papers. And also additional test, that I will tell why you should write additional test and who should write. Duration of each paper 70 minutes, as I told. 60 questions will be there. Okay, distribution of the questions, look at here. Mathematics, the number of questions are 60, marks are 60, duration is 80 minutes. Physics 60 marks, 60 questions, 80 minutes. So chemistry 60, 80 minutes, and biology 60, 80 minutes. So 80, probably it is mistyped here, so it is 70. Okay. Total you will be having 240 marks, 240 questions. Kannada language test you will be having 50 questions. Okay. Next, agriculture practical test you will be having 200 marks. Okay. Now, marking scheme. Candidates get 1 correct answer. Candidate is going to get 1 marks for the correct answer. The negative marking is none for incorrect answer. If you are done the wrong one, so you are not going to get any negative mark. It's not like AAA exam, JE exam. Okay, so no marks will be for an attempt. Suppose you are not attempted any question, that is for no marks. So I strongly suggest you to answer all the questions, because some questions will get some grace marks some time. So it's better to answer all questions, whether right or wrong, you should make it. Which paper to appear for in KCET? Okay. So courses offered: engineering. So here candidates may or may not have to appear for all 4 papers. The courses and KCET 2020 papers to appear for tabulated below. Look at here: engineering and technology, BE, BTech. So suppose if you want to join this the professional degree courses, so you should write physics, chemistry and mathematics papers. Okay, compulsory PCM. So for this, biology is not rated for engineering. You can skip biology to join engineering, or if you want to write, you can write. Okay, how the marks will be considered? Marks obtained by the candidate in PCM subject in qualifying examination will also be considered in equal proportion. So they will consider 50% CET marks and 50% PCM marks, which is scored in PUC second year level. Okay, suppose you want to join for the B arc. So here admission on the basis of NATA 2022 scores they will take, so this is not important for them, BARC students. So BSc, suppose you want to join BSc Agri, Forestry, Sericulture, Biotechnology, Agriculture, Food Technology, Dairy Technology, Fisheries, okay, Marketing, Agricultural Engineering, Physics, Chemistry, Mathematics, Biology papers compulsory you should write, all four. So marks obtained by candidates in subject in qualifying examination also be considered in equal proportion. CET 50% and PCMB 50%. Okay, next, Bachelor of Veterinary Science and Animal Husbandry, Physics, Chemistry, Biology. Maths is not needed for veterinary. PCB is sufficient. B Form, on the basis of performance of candidates in PCB papers, B is required, not maths. Okay, PCM papers, that is PCB or PCM marks, whichever is highest. So for B Form, very important is you can write PCMB, but they will consider whether you got PCM highest or PCB highest. That marks they will consider. Okay. Form D, on the basis of performance of candidates in Physics, Chemistry, Biology paper, PCM, that is PCB or P, same applies to Form D. As like B Form, Form D also. So naturopathy and yoga, so same here, PCM papers, so PCB papers, not mathematics, so we are going to consider in equal proportion. Next, very important, who has to give Kannada language test? So here, Kannada language test, the candidates claiming eligibility for government seat under Horanadu and Gadinadu Kannadiga, it will not come under class A, it will come under class B, okay, class C. Classes whose mother tongue is Kannada, Tulu or Kodava will have to undergo a Kannada language test to establish their ability to speak, read and write Kannada. So those candidates who are going to claim the eligibility for under government seat Horanadu and Gadinadu, in the border states they have studied, so they should undergo Kannada language test. Okay, the test duration will be 1 hour. Qualifying marks shall be 12 out of 50. For 50 you should take 12. Kannada language test will be conducted by KA as per the above schedule at Bidar, Belgaum. They have mentioned the place here. You can look at the places. Therefore, such candidates will have to appear the Common Entrance Test 2022 in the test center located at Bangalore, Bidar, Belgaum, Ballari, Bijapur, Mangalore centers only. So, the students who are appearing for this Kannada language test will be, they have mentioned the centers, particularly only these Bidar, Belgaum, Ballari, Bijapur, Mangalore and Bangalore centers. Okay, the relevant photocopy of the original documents of the parents in support of their claims such as marks card, study certificate along with CET admission ticket should be produced on the day of Kannada language test. On the Kannada language test you should bring your parents original documents for to show the proof. Okay, however, Gadinadu or Horanadu candidates including clause N who have studied 10 full academic year in the Kannada medium from first standard to 10th standard in the place outside the state of Karnataka need not to appear for Kannada language test. Means, what is the meaning of this? Suppose I will take the example, I studied in Madhya Pradesh, but I studied in Madhya Pradesh 1 to 10th standard a Kannada as a subject. Okay, for those students Kannada language test is not needed. Next, KCET agriculture practical test. So identification of agriculture related specimens they will going to consider for admission. So it is for 200 practical exam, it is not theory exam. So you should identify the agriculture related what is that specimens if you are claiming under agriculture quota. So practical examination for these people, they will be Bangalore, Hassan, Mandya, Raichur, Mysore, Mundrabad, Koppal district, and Arbavi, Gokak, Tamka, Mangalore, Bidar, Bagalkot, Dharwad. So under this mentioned places only. So here for the fees you should pay here 500 rupees and 250 for SCST. So 50% weightage would be given to OMR theory exam and other 50% would be given to practical in KCET results for such candidates. Okay, so this is about the exam pattern, how it is going to be, and marking scheme, course wise papers and schedule. So very important. So like this, for the further like this KCET updates 2022 and about counseling, document verification in the upcoming videos, I am going to be ready with all those things. And tomorrow 19th onwards they are going to give you the application correction date. So stay tuned. Keep watching, subscribe, share, like, comment. Thank you.